వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2019 పేపర్ 1లోని మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ సంబంధించినటువంటి విత్ సొల్యూషన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 31. ఏ బీకర్ ఈజ్ 3/7 filled with water. Another 16 liter of water is needed to fill the beaker to its brim. What is the capacity of the beaker? 3/7 పార్ట్ వాటర్ ఫిల్ చేయబడి ఉంది అంటే 7లో 3 పార్ట్స్ ఫిల్ చేయబడి ఉన్నాయంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకా 4 పార్ట్స్ అనేవి ఖాళీగా ఉన్నట్టు. అనదర్ 16 లీటర్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ నీడెడ్ టు ఫిల్ ద బీకర్. ఇంకా 16 లీటర్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ అనేది ఫిల్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి 3/7లో 3 పార్ట్స్ అనేవి ఫిల్ అయిపోయినాయి, 4 పార్ట్స్ అనేవి ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి. 4 పార్ట్స్ అనేవి 16 లీటర్ వాటర్తో ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే 4 పార్ట్స్కి 16 లీటర్. 1 పార్ట్కి ఎన్ని లీటర్స్ వాటర్ పడతాయి అంటే 1 పార్ట్ 1 × 16/4. 4 1 4, 4 4 16. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 4. అంటే 1 పార్ట్కి 4 లీటర్స్ వాటర్ అయినా టోటల్ పార్ట్స్ ఎన్ని 7 పార్ట్స్కి 7 × 4. 7 × 4 = 28. Right answer is option 4. Next question number 32. Which of the following represent descending order of numbers? Right answer is option 3. Descending order means big number to small number. So right answer is option 3. Next question number 33. A shopkeeper mixed 5.3 kg of almonds, 2100 grams of raisins, 2.2 kg of cashews and packed the mixture equally into 2 dozen packets. What is the weight of to each packet? 5.3 kgs of badam, 2100 grams of rice. 2100 grams ni kg lo convert cheste 2.1 kg. 2.2 kg of cashews, 2.2 kg. Total 9.6 kg. 2 dozen means 24 packets. 12 plus 12 24. So each packet enta ante what is the weight of each packet? Total 9.6 means 9600 grams divided by 24 packets. 4 1 4, 4 4 16, 400 grams. Right answer is option 2. Next question number 34. What number am I? I am a 2-digit even number. I am common multiple of 3 4 6. I have total 9 factors. Right answer is option 4, 36. 36. I am a 2-digit even number. 36 is 2-digit even number. I am common multiple of 3 4 6. 36 is common multiple of 3 4 6. Total 9 factors. 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. 1 2 3 4. Total 9 factors. Right answer is option 4. Next question. Asha plans to save some money from household expenditures to buy a mobile phone. Every week she saves ₹50 on Monday, ₹100 on Wednesday, ₹80 on Friday and spends 60 from this on Sunday. How many weeks would she take to save enough to buy mobile phone of 5950? Monday ₹50, Wednesday ₹100, Friday ₹80. Total 230. She spends 60 on Sunday. 230 minus 60 is equal to 170. For a week. So mobile cost వచ్చేసి 5000 950 by 170. Cancel this 35. Right answer is 35 weeks. Right answer is option 2. Question number 36. If 11011 base 2 dash base 10, then number of the blank space is 11011 2 power 0 2 power 1 2 power 2 2 power 3 2 power 4. This is 0. So 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 2 is 0. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 0 is 1. Total 27. Right answer is option 2, 27. Next question number 37. The side of a square is 10 centimeters. How many times will the new perimeter become if the side of square is doubled? Take side of square is 10 and it's doubled 20. Side of square is 40, doubled 80. Right answer is option 4, 2 times. Next question number 38. Which of the following letters have both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry? Right answer is option 2, X. Next question number 39. 72 into 28 is equal 36 into 4 into dash. The number is in the blank is 36 1 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 14. A multiple of 7. Okay, right. A, B, a prime number less than 10, wrong. D, an even number, factor of 56. Right answer is option 4, A, D, E. Next question number 40. What is the correct sequence of teacher of class 3 needs to follow to explain the concept of quarter 1/4 to the students? A, write the symbol of quarter on blackboard. B, provide concrete material and divide into quarters. C, show the pictures representing quarters. Right answer is option 3. Next question number 41. A class 3 students perform multiplication of 16 into 25. Right answer is option 2, associative law. Next question number 42. How will you cater to the needs of visually challenged students of your classroom in inclusive school? Right answer is option 2, use alternative teaching learning methods and resource. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a mathematical process? Memorization is not a mathematical process. Question number 44. Which of the following is not related to early number concept? Measurement. Next question number 45. Which of the following statement is true regarding to numeral and number? Right answer is option 4, both A and B. Question number 46. Read the following word problem on addition. A, there are 15 oranges in one basket and 7 oranges in another basket. How many oranges are there altogether? B, the price of a mobile phone which is for 9,950 increased by 375 after budget. What is the new price? What is the following statement is correct? Right answer is option 2. A, represent aggregation structure of addition, whereas B, represent argumentation structure of addition. Question number 47. A teacher gives following task to students of the class 4. Arrange 25 tiles in as possible rectangular arrays. Which of the following mathematical concept can be addressed through this task? Right answer is option 2, area, factors and perimeters. Next question number 48. Identify the correct statement about the ability to conserve different physical quantities in measurement proposed by Piaget? Right answer is option 3. Conservation of weight is grasped before conservation of number. Question number 49. Van Hel's levels refers to stages in development. Stages in development of. Right answer is option 3. Geometrical thinking. Question number 50. Which one of the following sets are problem solving strategies in mathematics? Option 3. Reasoning, using variable, look for pattern. Question number 51. Which of the following teaching learning resources is best suited to explain the concept of multiplication of two decimal numbers? Say 0.3 into 0.2 is equal to 0.06. Right answer is option 4. Graph paper. Question number 52. As per recommendation of NCF 2005, primary school mathematics curriculum should related to children everyday experiences. Option 1 is right answer. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a characteristics of effective mathematics pedagogy? Right answer is option 2. Following strict time rules when introducing new concept is not a characteristics of effective mathematical pedagogy. Question number 54. Which one of the following is not an effective strategy assist primary level students learning in mathematics? Right answer is option 1. Designing tasks to differentiate between rote memorization and conceptual understanding. Question number 55. How many quarters are there in quarter means 1 by 4 is equal to 75 by 4. 75 by 4 is divided with 1 by 4. 75 by 4 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 is equal to 75. Right answer is option 2. Question number 56. In a school, half of the students play the badminton, 1 by 4th play the volleyball, 1/8 play the tennis, 1/6 play the chess, and remaining of go for swimming. If the number of students playing volleyball is 160, how many students playing chess? Number of students playing volleyball is 160. 1 by 4th of students playing volleyball out of 160. 160 into 1 by 4th. 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 40. Right answer is option 1. Next question number 57. Deepa goes to post office to post or mail letters and parcels. The postal rates depicted are as below. Letter weighing 1 20 grams or less is 5 rupees. 2 per every additional 20 grams is 2 rupees. Parcel weighing 50 grams or less 5 rupees. For every additional weight 50 grams 3 rupees. Deepa wants to send 2 parcels weighing 250 and 300. Respectively 2 letters each 20 grams and 35 grams respectively. 250 and 300, 20 grams and 35 letters. 2 parcels. How many postal charges does she have to pay? 250 grams equal to 250 grams lo 50 grams 5 rupees. Then every 50 grams ki parcel 250 total 250 grams parcels lo 250 and 300 grams parcels. First 250 grams lo 50 grams 5 rupees and for every additional 50 grams 3 rupees. So 50 grams 5 rupees additional 5 plus 12 equal to 17. Next 300 grams. 300 grams to 50 grams ki 5 rupees. Remaining 250 grams ki 15 rupees. Total 20. 20 plus 17, 37 rupees for 2 parcels. Next 2 letters. 20 grams 20 grams. 20 grams is equal to 5 rupees. Next 35 grams. 35 equal to 20 plus 15. 25 rupees. 15 2 rupees. Total 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 37. Total charge is 37 plus 12 equal to 49. Right answer is option 4. Number 58. Digits 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 are arranged in the following blanks. The largest possible number after addition is. Add these two numbers. 5, 0, 6, 5 zeros, 1, 6. Right answer is option 2. Question number 59. Read the following railway timings of New Delhi, Chennai, Rajdhani Express and answer the question. Which of the following statement is true? Right answer is option 2. The duration of journey from Nagpur to Chennai is 15 hours 10 minutes. Chennai, Nagpur to Chennai, 20, 45 minutes, 5, 35 minutes, 10, 9, 15. Right answer is option 2, 15 hours 10 minutes. Next question number 60. A whole number is added to 50 and the same number is subtracted from the 50. The sum of the resulting number is 50 plus x, 50 minus x. Plus x minus x cancel. 50 plus 50, 100. Right answer is option 4.